day 1 in Cambodia.
Wow. It's nice.
I got an ice lemon tea. Because it's hot.
Con phải coi thành mà. Con sẵn thêm của may của trang. Nem trắng.
Wow. Your shop? Wow. Oh my god. Aww. Nè, sao chun mao.
Oh, these are cute. I know, I saw it.
Ciao. Honey. Oh my god.
Look at that little cat. Do you think she's gonna walk in?
Yes. Look at this. So pretty.
Well, that's a good entry.
Hi, so today we are going to go to Walk Street. It's like as you can see, it's a lot of walking. So we're about to,
It's a lot of walking. Look how far that is too.
yeah, so we're going to basically get our steps in and eat some food. Wow.
Eat a lot of food.
Eat a lot of
One
food.
bite of everything.
What am I looking for?
What are you looking forward
Oh
to?
my gosh, so many babies. Stop, dude.
You're just stranded.
One
Okay.
thing I don't like about Asia is that there's so many stray dogs. I guess like there's stray dogs everywhere, but
But here you see it more.
you see it so many.
Sòng bạc thôi, sòng bạc chờ lòng.
Really?
Baby.
Oh my god. Bonbon.
I love these.
They're good.
It's so pretty. My mom was saying that this is similar to like Richmond night market. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
Because it's like it's
I
very
think
lively. It's a little bit better because it has a lot of stuff. Everything's for like $3. So it's kind of giving Pub Street vibes.
I know.
Are you happy? We're about to cross the road to go to this burger spot that I grew up eating called Songcha Ice Cream. It's an ice cream shop, but
But
they're known for their burgers. So yeah, we're gonna go there and get some stuff to eat, and we'll show you guys after.
Yep.
The thing about this place is they don't really have a seating area. It's takeout only, and
They gotta
there's
sit
like
them down.
there's like lines of people waiting here for their burgers. Bag is secure. As you can see, my brother's getting it right there. I'm eating snail right now. So good.
Buy.
$8? $12 for 8 burgers.
How is it?
This is like the most untraditional burger ever. It's not like the American way. Like, do not expect that level of. But it's just something that we grew up eating. And something that a lot of people around here grew up eating, so like it's still popular to this day.
So good.
So good, yeah. Mạ của dày.
Họ chơi nhắm hamburger thì chơi chết.
But I like this.
모든 시간이 멈춘 듯이